Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to change your bullet point style of your text on Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Adobe InDesign and follow the simple steps. So basically I'm going to create a text box and I'm going to add some simple text. For example, let's just have some hello multiple times so I can show you the like this, and I have these multiple hellos. So basically now we want to add the bullet style or the bullet points. So the simple way to do it is select your text and we will go to type. Just select your text box and go to type and search for insert special character symbols, and we want to add the bullet character. So let's just have it here. uh, uh, Type, insert special character, symbols, and bullet character. So basically now you will have it like this, and you will have the bullet character that will be added for your text. So like that, if you do it, and you will have a bullet character. Now if we want to change our bullet characters here, either you select your bullet character and you will have this list, or you can have these glyphs menu or panel. To do so, you will need to go to window and search for type in tables and search for glyphs. So basically here we will find all the glyphs that are available for your that are available in Adobe InDesign. So basically we need just to select one. For example, I want this one and I'm double clicking on it. You can resize it if you want, and now I have my bullet style that has been changed. So simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.